Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today I am so excited for this video. I am going to be doing an unboxing on the iPhone 11 12 Pro. It's in this bag right here. I'm going to open the box up with you guys. We're going to talk about the phone, compare it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and go over like the different colors and stuff like that. So if you're interested in learning about the iPhone 12 Pro, continue watching. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, leave a comment down below if you guys have the iPhone 12 Pro, or if you guys are getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And if so, what color did you guys get? So let's get into the video.
Subscribe to my motherfucking YouTube channel. Subscribe to my motherfucking YouTube channel.
So in this bag right here, I have the iPhone 12 Pro. Dun dun. This right here, I'm so excited. So today is November 7th. My boyfriend actually got me this phone on November 6th. We went to Apple and picked it up, but I didn't open it because I wanted to do an unboxing video, and I just couldn't wait anymore because I'm ready to use my phone. So I'm like, I gotta hurry up and do this video so I can start using my phone. And yeah, so I have the iPhone 12 Pro, Pacific Blue, 256 gigabytes, because I need the data because I take a lot of pictures and videos, especially of my kids and when we do family outings, and for my business, my lash business. So yeah, I needed all the data space I could get, and I wanted to get Pacific Blue. My boyfriend has the iPhone 12 too, the 12 Pro, and he did the graphite. I don't want black. I wanted something different. I wanted to do the blue, and I know they did the blue only for the iPhone 12. So yeah, I want it to be different and get a different color. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and we're gonna look and see what the phone looks like. Let's go. Ooh, look at the box. It's so much thinner than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look at the difference. This is the 12. This is the 11 Pro Max, which is like a TV screen, and I got tired of holding that big ass phone. So that's why I did not do the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's why I only did the Pro this time. So let's look at that. I love this color. This is the Pacific Blue. As you guys do know, the iPhone 12 come in different colors. They have graphite, silver, gold, and Pacific Blue. You can get 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, or 512, and I have 286, and I wanted blue. It is very pretty. So you know, it comes with the cover on it. This is the back. It is so pretty. I love it. Ooh. And let's. Boop. This is the screen. You see the rounded sides, and I believe it's stainless steel. Oh, I like this. It's all blue, like all blue. See, you can't really see it on the camera, but it's all blue, and it's so pretty, and it's so much thinner and lighter than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look, this is the Pro Max, so you know, it has the thin sides. Put them together. You see, it's much smaller. Look, you have extra side space on the side and the bottom. So much lighter, easier to deal with versus this big old TV screen. See you later.
You about to lose your job. You about to lose your job. Get this dance.
So at first I'm not gonna lie, at first my boyfriend was like, oh, let's get the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm like, I don't want it, because I was so used to this TV screen and I like the rounded. And then I'm like, I don't want this one because it's back like the old one, which is more thicker on the sides. I'm like, I don't want it. But then I looked at his phone and I was messing with his phone. And I was like, you know what? Never mind. I think I want it. So he got it for me. It reminds me of the old phone, this one. And I don't remember which one this is because I can't even get it to turn on. Yes, I do save my iPhones. But remember this style? It's the same thing. Same thing. So I'm like, it is what it is. I like the color. I'm also going to get the Apple Watch in this same color. I like this color. It's cute. So let's get into this phone, honey. So the screen is 6.1 inches Retina versus a Pro Max with 6.5 inches. So it's much bigger. So I'll take this. It is stainless steel. Water resistant. It's water resistant. You know, all iPhones, they say now is water resistant. I don't take chances in putting my iPhone in water because, yeah, I don't trust that. So even though I have Apple Care on every phone, I'm just not taking chances with it. So I ain't doing that. Let's see the price of this iPhone. So the price of this iPhone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gigabyte was $1,099, and then once the taxes was included, which is New York state tax, that was $97.54. The total came up to $1,196.54. But you do not have to buy it outright. This one is the unlocked version. You can get it with your phone carrier, and you can do installment plans, which comes out a little cheaper, which a lot of people do that because you can get it where you can switch phones out every year. I didn't do it that way, so yeah, I had the unlocked version. So it is what it is. So let's talk about what comes in the box with the iPhone 12 Pro. So, you know, it comes with this, the design by Apple in California. You have the Apple sticker and the key thingy to open up the side for your SIM card. That comes in it. You do get the adapter, the charger adapter. They're not giving us, hold on. They're not giving us the square piece this time because they said they're recycling, so we don't get this piece, which I don't mind because I already have it from my other phone. It just like I still have the charger. So this one would just go be put up for backup. So that comes in the box. It doesn't come with headphones either for whatever reason, which also I don't care about that because I have my AirPods, but whatever. If it would have came with it, I would have gave it to my kids. So let's turn this phone on. Hopefully it's not dead. Is it dead? It's turning on. Let's set her up. Waiting for it to turn on. Sure. Hello. Hello. So let's set this phone up. It says hello. English. Wait, where is it? United States. Set up manually. Set up my It may take a few minutes to activate your device. All I'm really doing is transferring my information from the iPhone 11 Pro Max to this one. It also comes with the eSIM just like the iPhone 11 did. So I have to activate that too. I have to call AT&T to activate that. I'm going to set up my face, set up the Face ID. Setting up the Face ID. Face ID set up. Continue. My passcode. Can't tell you guys that now. I need to change it because my kids freely go in my phone.
How I go on your phone?
Oh, so now it comes up. Set up new iPhone. Continue. You know you have to scan that blue. Scan this. Keep this phone near. So it's transferring from one iPhone to the other. Alright, so it's in the process now of transferring over. It says it's going to take over 30 minutes because I do have a lot of data. I have like 6,000 something pictures and videos, so I know this is going to take time. So I'm going to let this finish transferring everything over, and then I'm going to come back on and show you guys the phone and the accessories that I purchased for the phone. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so the phone is done setting up. It says right here, no SIM installed. So I am going to put my SIM card in from my other phone. You know another phone I wanted to compare it to? Which is my old iPhone. Which one is this? Hold on. I'm going to compare it to my iPhone XS Max. As you can see, this one is bigger too. It's bigger. So this phone is just all overall smaller. I don't got time for that Pro Max stuff. Give me a regular Pro and we're gonna call it a day. So let me switch over the SIM. The buttons are even different. So this is the power on. This is, can you see? Oh, come on. Right or sound. This is the up button. This is the down. And you know, usually the SIM card is on this side, but with this phone is actually down here, which I can't show you because the phone doesn't want to show it. Can you see it? Sorry guys. This is a picture of my beautiful mother. So insert this here. I do have AT&T service, but since my phone is unlocked, I can use any carrier. So it's set up, AT&T. Let's see. So this is the new lock screen that it comes with. The lock screen looks like this. It's cute. It looks like what's on the box. So the things that I bought with this phone is an out-of-box case. And I got this from the mall. Screen protector, because we all know with iPhones you need to have a screen protector and some type of insurance or Apple Care on your phone. So I have this out of box clear with a little bit of glitter symmetry case. I love out of box cases because if something happens to your case, you just call them and they will literally send you a new phone with warranty. So I like their cases. So let's try to put this on. Usually my boyfriend puts this on for me, but I'm gonna try doing the screen protector today. Hopefully I can get it right. Let's see. Alright guys, sorry, I had to go off a camera. I just couldn't get it right. But I got it. So I'm going to clean the screen. Dry it. There's no air bubbles. Duster. Done. Pretty case. Because I want you to see my blue back, okay?
2 hours later.
But you can still see the blue with some glitter. Eventually I'm probably just gonna go to a clear case, but you can see the blue, right? Alright guys, I finally got the case on. I finally got the screen protector on, and guess what? My phone's about to die. Here is the iPhone 12 Pro. I have a tempered glass screen protector, out of box glitter case so that you can see the blue in the back. They say the camera and stuff on this phone is supposed to be real good. I have yet to take a picture, and now it's dark outside and I look shot, okay? So let's see.
Did you stink?
Don't mind the damn picture, but it is pretty clear in the background, you see. Okay, let's see a video. Oh, that video is very clear. That camera is clear. I'm gonna have to do a vlog with this one. I think it's better than this Canon camera I'm using. Oh shit, hold on.
How's it better?
Oh, I like this. And it's in HDR. So don't worry, I'm gonna put a clip of the picture in the video up so you guys can see what I see. Cause you can't really tell here, so don't worry, I'm gonna put a clip up. What else do I have to say about the iPhone Pro? That's it. I'm going to do a vlog video using this camera to make sure it's A1 like Apple said it was. Yeah, I'm loving my Pacific Blue iPhone. You know, I didn't want gold, I didn't want silver, I didn't want graphite. My boyfriend always gets black. I don't want a black phone. I wanted something different. Now I'm going to get me the blue Apple Watch Series 6.
Ooh.
And that's all for right now, guys. I'm about to sit here and watch the President-elect Joe Biden and Kamala Harris speech. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go play with my new iPhone 12. If you guys have the iPhone, leave a comment down below. Let me know which phone you have, which color, stuff like that. If you like the phone, do you like the camera? Do you like that the phone is lightweight and not as heavy as this damn 11 Pro Max television screen? And that's it. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.
Turn it off.